To quit a YouTube addiction, there are 3 things you have to recognize first. 1. You have to want it. 2. Recognize that the majority of YouTube videos are probably useless, unappealing, and/or a waste of time. What do I mean by this? When you look at your homepage, ask yourself, is this video really worth watching or is it a waste of time? 3. You don't have to cut out YouTube entirely, and you shouldn't. Some entertainment is okay from time to time, and there is useful content there like tutorials and educational content. But recognize that not all educational content is necessarily worth watching either, like self-improvement videos. You watch the video thinking it's productive, but most of the time you are the same person before and after watching the video. That alone is one of the most effective steps. Now I will be talking about my personal experience, which has led me from having a watch time of 4 hours of YouTube a day to just 20 to 30 minutes max. For the second step, you can do modifications to your YouTube account, like deleting and turning off YouTube history in the settings, which will make your recommendations plain, boring, and less personalized. It's really helped a lot, but what I did afterwards helped out even more. I think the YouTube app is one of the worst ways to watch YouTube. I instead watch YouTube through another app called PipePipe, a fork of NewPipe, which is available on Android phones. What are the advantages of PipePipe? It's free, libre, open source software, no ads, trackers, or data collection, doesn't require an account, brings back YouTube dislikes, has a built-in sponsor block which can skip sponsors, advanced filtering, you can run videos in the background without needing to have the app open, meaning you can just listen to music while doing something else. You're also able to make playlists and download videos or audio to gain offline access to it. Still, that's not entirely it. You can also access platforms other than YouTube on PipePipe, notably SoundCloud. Besides, the app is highly customizable and you can add and remove certain things that display on your main page, or you can just make it entirely empty. You choose what you want to watch, and that's the 4th step. Choose what you want to watch. Instead of going after the recommendations, take back control over the content you consume. Search for what you want to watch. You can even still subscribe to the channels and look at the subscription feed. And if you do like a similar software for desktop/PC, there's FreeTube, which comes with mostly the same features. But it also comes with an additional feature called the arrow, which replaces clickbait YouTube titles to simple, more accurate ones, which tell you what the video is about. The same can be applied to thumbnails, which replaces the thumbnail with a frame from the video. I thank TheHatedOne for introducing me to NewPipe back in 2021, but YouTube took down the original video, but I still suggest the channel. You can find all the links in the description below. You got this.